Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you're looking for a way how to connect the Razer Blackshark V2 to PS5, you need 2.4G Easy adapter, only because it's not going to connect through the Bluetooth. So you're just gonna look here for 2.4G Easy adapter that you can use. Like adapter that you can use, and then you're gonna plug it into the PS5. Was having issues, so tried switching the port. It was plugged into work fine after plugging into the backside port. So try to just plug it into backside port, and then it should work for you. And that's pretty much it. So hope it helped you on what you can do and how you can connect it. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.